11. Why is MS Excel popular and user-friendly spreadsheet software? Microsoft Excel is popular and user-friendly due to several key factors. 1. Wide range of features. Excel offers a broad array of features like data organization, sorting, filtering, charting, and complex functions. This versatility makes it suitable for different fields like business, finance, statistics, and personal use. 2. Intuitive interface. Excel has a familiar, easy-to-navigate interface. It uses the ribbon menu system, which organizes commands in a user-friendly way. Users can quickly find what they need, even without extensive training. 3. Customizable and scalable. Excel allows users to create customized reports, templates, and dashboards, enabling them to tailor the software to their specific needs. It's scalable from basic data entry to advanced data analytics. 4. Powerful calculation and analysis tools. Excel's built-in functions, e.g., sum, average, VLOOKUP, if, and data analysis tools make it a powerful program for complex calculations and decision-making processes. 5. Automation with macros and VBA. Users can automate repetitive tasks using macros in Visual Basic for Applications, VBA, which improves productivity and reduces manual errors. 6. Compatibility and integration. Excel integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft Office applications, Word, PowerPoint, Outlook, and supports a variety of data formats, CSV, XML, making it a go-to tool for many users. 7. Availability and community support. Excel is widely available across devices, Windows, macOS, and online, and its large user base ensures strong community support, tutorials, and forums. 12. Explain different types of cell references used in MS Excel with examples. In Excel, there are 3 primary types of cell references, each used in different scenarios. 1. Relative cell reference. This is the default reference type. When you copy or move a formula with a relative reference, Excel adjusts the reference based on its new position. Example: if cell A1 contains equals B1 plus C1 and you copy it to cell A2, the formula in A2 will automatically adjust to equals B2 plus C2. 2. Absolute cell reference. An absolute reference refers to a fixed cell or range that doesn't change when the formula is moved or copied. It is denoted by a symbol before the column letter and row number. Example: if cell A1 contains equals $B1 plus C1 and you copy it to A2, the formula will become equals $B1 plus C2. Here, $B1 remains constant, while C1 changes to C2. 3. Mixed cell reference. A mixed reference uses a combination of relative and absolute references. Either the row or the column is fixed, but not both. Example: if cell A1 contains equals $B1 plus C1 and you copy it to A2, the formula will become equals $B2 plus C1. Here, $B fixes the column, and fixes the row, while the other parts change relative to their new position. Understanding these cell references is crucial for building dynamic spreadsheets and ensuring formulas behave as expected when copied or moved.